What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. My name is Christina. So today's video is going to be a little different. I am running a couple errands and I am bringing you guys along. I want to start creating Christmas content tomorrow, so I do need a few things. So let's go. All right, we're here at Target. Look at how cute are those pillows. $20. I don't know about that. I think they find some better ones or cheaper ones at Home Goods. This is what I'm looking for, like little bushes. This one's too long. What about this one?
Mommy, I need money.
This one's cute, but not sure. I don't know if it's too long. This one is $15. Alright, let's see. Let's keep looking. So, look at my kids' stuff. Like, he didn't even ask me. He just grabbed what he wanted from the little dollar spot. Oh my gosh, Papas. Look at all this. Papas, you're just gonna take maybe like one or two, not all of them. That's, yeah. These are so cute. I like this one. You can add cookies. I mean, these tins are meant for cookies, but Target has like the cutest mugs. I do need one because I'm trying to do a reel, a hot cocoa bomb reel. Oh my god, it's so hard. I don't know which one. It needs to be big enough in order for the hot cocoa bomb to fit. This one is super cute, but it's not going to fit. Which one you think is cute? Alright guys, so I have an idea. What if I get the S for Sprinkle Sugar Pop? What do you guys think? Yeah, actually these are cute. Yeah, I can even put like sprinkles. Alright, I think that one. Maybe a treat too.
Mommy.
Just in case. Alright guys, so I did bought a few things. I'm going to show you guys once we get home because the lighting, as you guys can see, is not so good. So right now we're going to head over to Michael's. Look you guys, all of their stuff is 50% off. This one is a cute breakable. Honestly, I feel like breakables are not even on trend no more. I might be wrong, let me know in the comment section, but I feel like breakables are not trending like that no more. I came here to get some mini like super tiny marshmallows because I'm trying to make like some hot cocoa like mugs, but like cake pops. So yeah, that's why I came. Alright, so these are the ones that I need. There. Wow, so cute. My daughter's drawing. Oh, look at her. Okay, so I'm a little hungry and I'm going to get some carne asada fries, like some steak fries. They're so good from here, you guys. Like, bomb. You guys need to try them if you are from Sacramento. Alright guys, are you guys ready to see the fries? Ah, look at all the meat. Look at all, like they put a lot of meat, you know? Like, it's so good. Like they add cheese, sour cream, guacamole, a lot of carne for sure, and of course like the fries, but it's so good. Let me get you guys a close up. My daughter's like dying over here, like, Mom, hurry up, I want to eat. So good. Look you guys, like it has guacamole, sour cream, and then like a lot of cheese. Like, oh my god, it's so good. You guys need to try these fries if you guys are local. So good. Alright guys, so yeah, These fries are the best. I mean, if you guys are local and if you guys know of a different spot, let me know. And there's a lot of cars slowing down because we have a lot of Christmas lights. So a lot of people come over here to take pictures, videos. It's really cool. Alright guys, I am back. I was helping my daughter with her homework. She had a lot of homework, math homework. It was insane. But they're having a test tomorrow, so I mean, it makes sense. You know, the teacher wanted to basically prep them before they do the test. So yeah, and then I put my baby to sleep. And yeah, I was like, you know what, let me come over here and finish the video, because then I have to go clean and then I have to brainstorm for tomorrow, because I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm trying to create Christmas content for tomorrow. So let's get started. All right, so first we're gonna start, hopefully I'm in the frame. First we are going to start with Target. Right, I got these little trays for these are just things that I'm gonna use to create reels, like, you know, to make it look cute or whatever. And then a star. Can you guys guess how much I spent in Target just by looking at this bag? Well, I do have some stuff missing here. I took out the toys my baby bought or got by himself, my baby boy. I did purchase some little toys for him, for my baby boy, but just guess how much you think I spent in this little bag. I'm telling you guys, Target is crazy, but that's the only store I go to. I prefer Target. I prefer Target over Walmart. Comment down below, are you team Target or are you team Walmart? And then this one, this was not for me. My baby boy my baby boy got this for him so he can play and, you know, put them on the window. And then I got this cup. It was so hard to choose which cup. There was a lot of cute ones, but unfortunately the hole was small and the hot cocoa bombs are big. Like the ones I make are big, so I had to get this one. I got the S for sprinkle sugar pop. Well, for sprinkle sugar pop. And then I also got some baking cups. So cute. I don't think I'm gonna use these for cupcakes. I think for hot cocoa bombs. Wait a minute, actually I have a big order of cupcakes for Christmas Eve, so I might use some of these. And then this right here is so cute. I really love the pattern. This is a napkin, but this is why I bought it. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna use this. Alright, so basically I'm just gonna use one, honestly, and I'm just gonna do something like this and just kind of scrunch it up a little bit. So just scrunch it up a little bit and then put it on my canvas, not my canvas, my replica surface board, and just take like a flat lay picture or a reel. And last but not least, I got some chocolate. I really like this chocolate. Like, the flavor is really good. If you guys haven't tried this chocolate, this one's really good. This chocolate, I use it for a lot of things actually, but not everything. I do use other chocolates. Like, for example, I like to use the 1101. Oh my god, you guys, if you guys haven't tried 1101 chocolate, is so freaking fire. Like, it leaves a smooth finish on your dessert, but that chocolate is very light, like very runny, very thin, so you can't use that chocolate for everything, okay? Only for like stuff that you're just going to dip, like cake pops, cakesicles, if you're dipping cakesicles, of course, right? Not if you're using the mold. If you're using the mold, don't use that chocolate. It's too thin, too runny. It's not gonna work. It could work, but it's tedious because you have to do multiple layers and it's just too much. But yeah, so 1101, that's another chocolate I use. It's so freaking beautiful, amazing. I love the finish, everything. And you can find that chocolate on Stovers and Company, or in Stovers Company website. I'll put the link down below. But yeah, so for this one, I'm gonna use I like to use this chocolate for my hot cocoa bombs. It gives it that real hot cocoa bomb flavor, if that makes sense. It doesn't taste cheap, if that makes sense. This chocolate is really good, and it's a high quality chocolate. So yeah, I like to use that one for my hot cocoa bombs. You know, quality here, quality. And yeah, all right, so moving on. I'm so excited for what I'm going to create tomorrow. I haven't even brainstormed yet, but I'm ready. Okay, my goals. Well, I did, look, this is what my baby, oh my gosh, this is what my baby got from Target. He should do his own little haul. Oh my god, my baby loves balloons, like my baby boy. Not sure if you guys know, I have 2 kids. So my baby boy is 3, and then my older one is 11. I had her young, really young. Really, I had her really young. But yes, I have 2. So my baby boy is obsessed with balloons, like no me salió caro, you know. All right, so this is what I got from Michael's, this little cute mold. Alright, so I bought some chocolate from Michael's. The reason why I bought this chocolate was because it was super duper cheap. I think it was like $1.99 or something like that. And I'm going to create samples, content. Me personally, I don't like to waste my good chocolate on samples. I like to use cheap chocolate because at the end of the day, I am not selling my samples, and yeah, nobody's eating them. Maybe my kids, but they don't care. So yeah, so I got the bright white, the white, and the red. So again, if you're creating samples, use cheap chocolate. Alright, cheap chocolate. Tip of the day. Alright, last but not least, I bought these mini marshmallows. I'm planning on using them on cake pops. So I'm planning on doing like a little mug, a hot cocoa mug, if that makes sense. And then just add these little mini marshmallows on top because they are so cute and super tiny. So yes, I'm trying to do some cake pops with that. So I am so excited. Tomorrow I'm going to create content. And yeah, finally, it's been a hot minute, honestly. I think the last thing I created was the Thanksgiving menu, which was a week or 2 weeks prior to Thanksgiving. So it's been a minute, and I miss creating stuff and like reels and stuff. I enjoy creating reels. It's so fun. A lot of you guys are asking for a merch update, and I was planning on talking about it here, but not sure how long would this video be. So I'm going to finish this video and then create a separate video so we can chit chat about my merch, because I have things to announce. Thank you so much to everyone that's supporting my channel. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Like, trust me, like once I am able to afford a big party, I'm going to invite all of you guys that supported me on this journey. Pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future content. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Peace.